هلا أستاذ.
كيفك؟
منيح، أنت كيفك؟
الحمد لله. It is the first time you enter the first one to the meeting.
إيه، ما في حدا.
Good morning Lale.
Good morning أستاذ.
كيفك؟
منيحة، أنت كيفك؟
الحمد لله. Good morning Naira.
Good morning.
Where were you yesterday?
ما كان عندي إنترنت.
Why always you don't have internet?
أستاذ اليوم هاي جوز ما عنده إنترنت. سيلفا كتبت لي قالت لي هيك.
Okay. Or your Silva, you have to say.
Yes, sorry, or your Silva.
Oh. Okay, let's start. This exercise is difficult a little bit, so pay attention. So we have two red dice. Air new contains two red dice where the faces of each are numbered from 1 to 6. So we have two red dice numbered from 1 to 6. And one black die, we have one black die where two of its faces are 6. في عندي two of the faces numbered 6 and 4 are numbered 1. So we have two red, each one numbered from 1 to 6, and two black and one black. We have 2 6 and 4 ones, and 4 others number 1. A player selects randomly and simultaneously two dice. We are going to select two dice. Selecting two dice from this air. Then he rolls them only once. He selects two dice and he rolls them only once. Consider the events. A, the selected dice are red. A bar, the two dice selected are one red and one black. L, out of the two dice, only one shows the number 6. You understand the given? or not? So we have 3 dice, 2 red, each number from 1 to 6, 1 black that contains 2 6 and 4 ones. We select 2 dice simultaneously, then we roll them once. Consider the following events. A, the selected dice are red. Who can calculate the probability of A equal how much? Part 1, probability of A equals. What is the probability to choose 2 red dice? Come on. Yeah, how many dice are there in the box? There are 3 dice. I have to choose 2. I have to choose 2 red. I have 2 red in all. I have to choose 2. So we get 1/3. Any questions about part 1? Girls, boys? Any question?
No.
To part A. L given A.
Sis,
Yes,
التوتال دايسز قد ايه يا خد؟
3 dice. We have 3 dice.
في
I have
4 others كمان.
2. If you hear, I have 2 red dice and 1 black. 2 red and 1 black. So we have 3 dice. Yes, Thomas.
Okay.
I have 3 dice. Now, what is the probability of L given A? Probability of L given A. What is L given A? What does it mean? Who can explain it? A is given means we choose 2 red dice. So A is given means we select 2 red dice. L, we get only 1 6. How to get 1 6? I have 2 dice. How to calculate 1 6? I roll the 2 dice. How to get only 1 6? كيف يجي عندنا 1 6 بالداي بالتو دايس؟ يعني means the first die shows 6 and the other die shows, it means probability. The first red die shows 6 and the second red die shows not 6, or the first die shows not 6, the first red die shows not 6, and the second red die shows 6. Equal. What is the probability that the first red die shows 6? What is the chance to get 6 from the first die?
C41.
Without using combination, to get 6 from the first red die. How many 6 in the die, in the red die we have?
1/6.
1/6 times The second red die does not show 6. What is the probability that the second red die does not show 6?
5/6.
5/6. Okay, the same way I will put it times 2, since the second one is the same. We get 10/36, which is equal 5/18. What is probability that A intersection L? What is the rule for A intersection L? Probability that A intersection L equal, we have probability that L given A, we have probability that A, it is equal probability that A times probability that L given A. Equals 1/3 times 5/18. Equals 5/54. Part B. Calculate probability that A bar intersection L.
بنجيب PA بار.
Equal, I put the rule first. P لل A bar times probability لل L given A bar. What is probability that A bar? How to calculate probability that A bar? Equals 1 minus probability that A. Equals 1 minus 1/3 equals 2/3. Now, what is probability that L given A bar? Who can explain it and how to calculate?
يعني one red and one black.
Yes. Given A bar, yani one red, one black. L, one of the two dice only shows the number 6. Yani, probability either the red shows 6 will black not 6, or probability red not 6 will black 6. equals. What is the probability that the red dice shows 6?
One over 6.
1 over 6 times the black one does not show 6.
4 over 6.
4 over 6 plus the red one does not show 6. 5 over 6. The black one shows 6. How much the black one to show 6? The black, how many 6 you have? Two over 6. You get 14 over 36. 14 over 36 equals 7 over 18. Then probability of L intersection A bar equals 2 over 3 times 7 over 18 equal 14 over 54. How to calculate probability del L? What is probability del L? And verify that probability del L. Yes. Alisa, how to calculate probability del L? I use the rule of total probability.
Intersection L.
L
Yes.
intersection A plus
L intersection A bar.
rule of total probability equals L intersection A لقيناها is 15 over 54 plus 14 over 54 equals 19 over 54. Third part. Knowing that only one dice shows the number 6. What is the name of the event? One dice shows the number 6. Is L. Calculate the probability that the two dice are red. The two dice are red is called A. So I need to calculate probability of Knowing I put this slash. What is below? What is above?
below L.
Below L, A. So what is the rule? Probability of A intersection
L.
L over probability لل L. I have them both. A intersection L is 5/54. Over L is 19/54. Equal 5/19. The last part, calculate the probability that at least one die shows the number 6. How to calculate the probability that one die shows the number 6? At least 1 6. How to solve it? At least 1 6. Short at least 1 6. Either I have 1 6. I
Or
have
2
1
6.
6. 1 6. 1 not 6. 1 not 6. Or probability of 6 6. How to calculate probability of 1 6? It is probability L. 1 6 is the probability of L plus probability of 2 6 how to calculate the probability of 2 6? إذا سميت probability that 2
يعني
6
ناخد
let's call it a letter. Probability of 2 6, let's call it a letter. What letter do you like? Instead of A or L, I will call it
N.
H. What? N. Naira. Okay. Probability del L plus probability del N. Now, how to calculate probability del N? Who can tell how to calculate probability del N? Equals probability لل A intersection N plus probability مثل ما لقينا ال probability لل probability of A bar intersection N equals probability لل A times probability of N given A.
ليش أخذت A؟
Now to get 2 6, either I can have 2 red dice and we get 2 6, or I can have 1 red 1 black. Yes?
بس هو ما قال إنه red dice is numbered from 1 to 6.
والبلاك في عندي فيهم 6 كمان شايف؟ البلاك they contain the number 6. Plus probability of A bar times probability of N given A bar. The same way كيف لقينا هون probability لل L, instead of L I put N equals probability لل A 1/3 times N given A. What's meant by N given A? N give A given, and we choose 2 red dice and we get 2 6s. Means the first red die gives 6 and the second red die is 6. And what's the probability to get 2 6? يعني هون red die gives 6 where red die second gives 6 plus 2/3 times means here a red 6 والبلاك 6 equals equals 1/3 times the first red die gives 6 and 1/6 times 1/6 plus 2/3 times the red die gives 6 is 1/6, the black die gives 6 is 2/6.
black مش 4 balls 4 dice.
البلاك مش 4 dice عندي 2 number 6 و 4 numbered 1. To get 6 from the black die is 2/6. So we get 2 times 2 4 5 over 108. So probability of N will be equal probability لل L قديش لقت معنا 19/54 plus 5/108 we get 38. Please, any questions about this exercise?
No.
أعمل P of L plus P of N.
No, ما عملنا probability no. ما عملت probability لل L plus probability لل N. Here, probability لل
this
probability مش لل N, هي probability at least يعني probability of at least 1/6. Yes, Alisa.
في 1 minus شي نعمل كيف
كده نعمل
بيكون
1
هاي؟
minus 1 minus probability to not 6. 1 minus probability of 2 not 6. إذا حطيناها 1 minus probability 2 which are not 6. كمان by the same way 2 not 6 بدنا نلاقيها إذا سميناها H 1 minus probability لل H. I have to determine probability لل H. Here you say probability لل H equal probability of H intersection A أو A intersection H plus probability لل A bar intersection H. And you determine it by the same way as we calculated N. But here instead of 2 6, I don't have any 6. You get how ولا no? Alisa?
yes
Okay.
yes this
Yes, what? Did anybody say anything? Okay, this is all for today. Have a nice vacation. Happy holidays for life science. General راح نشوفه. Yes.
الجي بنقدر نعمل هلا او ما بتقدر؟
I have the economics.
ساعة واحدة وربع بتقدر؟
معكم chemistry.
نو
ما راح يعمل.
he sent us
طيب بنعمل على الوحدة وربع.
Okay.
But still high class.
Okay.
Vacation, how many
Yeah.
days you have vacation? Which days you have?
till Monday.
Monday. Okay, Tuesday you have school, yes?
Yes.
Yes. So for next Tuesday, prepare 2016, the first one.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
bye
Bye-bye.
Stace.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy Easter.
Same.
Same to you.
Bye.